All right, guys, we got something special today for you guys. It's a 3.6 Nissan Altima 2012. Mr. Freddie drove all the way from Georgia to us off our YouTube channel to get it done. So we'll show you what we got done on it. So I got factory converters there, and a third converter there, secondary or third, whatever you want to call it. Then what we did is 2.5-inch pipe. Did a resonator delete, muffler delete, deleted everything and started new basically. It's got a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK in the middle. Then we continued 2.5-inch pipe into a 2.5 to 2 1/4 Y pipe. True flow Y pipe right there. Then we did 2 1/4 tail pipes there and there into some 4-inch double wall stainless steel tips, which you guys gotta admit came out absolutely beautiful. Look, here it is. I love it. It looks awesome. And I hope you guys like the sound. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's not raspy at all. It's just smooth.
It sounds like freaking Z.
Yeah.
Same way.
Here's sound decibels. Peaked at like 103. Yeah. Not too bad. So it's not going to drone at all inside.
No, good.
It'll be just a really nice deep tone. Nissan Altima V6 Coupe 3.5 SR. What do you guys think? I like it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. So again, he was really happy with it. There it is. Back to Georgia they go. They're gonna have some Jack's barbecue and maybe head to Upperland Hotel for tonight, check out the lights. And then they're gonna head back to Georgia. We really appreciate you, Freddie, coming in. Hope you enjoy it as much as we enjoyed working on it.